A legal dispute between the DRC and Uganda over war reparation claims was resolved by the International Court of Justice. The court ordered Uganda to pay the DRC $325 million in reparations for its involvement in a conflict on Congolese territory between 1998 and 2003. The ruling was welcomed by some Congolese leaders.
There are many widows and orphans who lost their parents during this conflict. And what if really Uganda can pay this money? I can say it is good. It can help those people who are living the hard life now in Ituri.
The DRC had demanded $11 billion as compensation from Uganda, but the World Court said the country did not provide sufficient evidence to support its claims. That has disappointed some Congolese citizens.
That sum is very small, but it's a beginning. I believe that the team of the lawyers from the DRC have the necessary knowledge, and they could ask for more. They can ask for more compensation, either in terms of cash, but also maybe in terms of nature, in terms of other services.
The decision of the International Court of Justice is final. Millions of people were killed and thousands were displaced between 1998 and 2003 in that conflict in Ituri province. In 2005, the World Court ruled that Uganda had violated international law by occupying parts of eastern Congo. The court has ordered Uganda to pay $325 million in 5 installments of $65 million starting September this year. The ruling comes barely 2 months after the DRC government authorized Ugandan troops to carry out joint operations with its army against rebels of the Allied Democratic Forces in the country's east. The long-running dispute between Uganda and the DRC was supposed to be resolved amicably by the two countries over a decade ago, but they failed to agree on the amount that Uganda should have paid, prompting the DRC to seek the court's intervention. The final verdict has drawn cheers and criticism from both countries. Chris Sochamringa, SABC News, Kinshasa.